Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1 KSC. So, are matchmaking apps like Baitul Jannah or Mus actually safe for Muslims, or do they bring more harm than good? Today, many people use digital ta'aruf due to busy lifestyles. But chatting without supervision leads to serious risks like identity fraud, love scams, and digital halwat that cross Islamic boundaries. That's why this study evaluates these apps through Maqasid Syariah. We need to balance the benefit of finding a partner against the risk to our faith and dignity. What about the goal? To find clear guidelines so finding a soulmate online stays 100% aligned with Islamic values.
Our research investigates the critical intersection between modern technology and Islamic ethics, specifically focusing on online matchmaking application and the challenges of preserving Islamic values in a Maqasid Syariah analysis. Our literature review reveals a massive socio-cultural shift where traditional family supervised, which is ta'aruf, has rapidly evolved into a digital ta'aruf, which is a new normal. However, popular secular algorithms inherently promote human commodification through superficial swiping, which directly contradicts Islamic principles of spiritual compatibility. To address this, we evaluated these platforms through the dual lenses of Maqasid Syariah. First, Hifz ad-Din, where to preserve religious modesty against digital vices, and second, Hifz an-Nas, where to ensuring these apps serve as legitimate gateways to sanctified marriage rather than casual dating. Guided by the principle of Sad al-Dhara'i, our review argues that technological utility must be balanced with strict ethical governance. The critical gap in existing literature is the lack of empirical Sharia-driven frameworks in modern digital spaces. This study closes the gap, establishing a conceptual baseline for digital Sharia compliance.
Now, I would like to present the methodology of our study. This research uses a qualitative research approach because it helps us gain a better understanding of matchmaking applications from the perspective of Maqasid Syariah. The main method used is the human analysis. We collected information from reliable sources, including the Quran, authentic hadith, Islamic law books, academic journals, and previous studies. Next, we analyze the data based on the 5 objectives of Maqasid Syariah to evaluate whether matchmaking applications support or challenge Islamic values. We also compare information from different reliable sources to ensure our findings are accurate and trustworthy. That's all for the methodology section. Thank you.
Result and findings. Positive findings. The findings show that matchmaking application provide several positive benefits for Muslims when used responsibly. This platform expand opportunities to find compatible partners, make the marriage process more efficient, and support the objective of Hifz an-Nas by encouraging halal relationships that lead to marriage. They also help users make informed decisions through detailed profiles and communication features, while some Islamic applications promote ethical interactions through identity verification and family involvement. Overall, matchmaking application can contribute to individual well-being and family stability when used in accordance with Islamic principles.
For the negative effects, matchmaking application may create several challenges to Islamic values. First, they allow uncontrolled interaction between men and women, which can lead to emotional attachment and behavior that goes beyond Islamic limits. Many users also use this app for friendship or entertainment instead of marriage, and reducing the true purpose of marriage in Islamic. Another concern is fake identities and scam, which can cause emotional and financial harm. These apps may also lead to addiction, wasting time, and affecting religious duties, studies, and family responsibilities. In addition, Users often focus more on appearance than on good character and religious values when choosing a partner. Family involvement is also reduced, which may increase the risk of making poor decisions. Therefore, matchmaking application can affect religion, dignity, mental well-being, family values, and personal safety.
For 5.1 discussion, matchmaking applications as a means of achieving maqasid syariah. First, supports hifz al-nafsu, preservation of lineage, facilitates halal marriage by expanding opportunities to find suitable spouses, reduces barriers faced through conventional matchmaking methods. 2. Protects hifz al-ird, preservation of honor, Islamic oriented features marriage intention, profile screening, guided communication, encourage ethical ta'amul. Third, reduces the risk of inappropriate social interactions. Fourth, promotes maslahah and hifzu al-aql, preservation of intellect, provides emotional support, hope and confidence for individuals seeking marriage. Helps reduce loneliness and psychological stress. Reflects Islam's adaptability to technology. Technology is a natural tool. Its value depends on how it is used. When used sincerely and according to Sharia, matchmaking apps support lawful marriages and strengthen family instruction. So, in conclusion, matchmaking applications can contribute to achieving the objectives of maqasid Sharia by facilitating halal relationships, preserving Islamic values, and strengthening marriage in the digital era.
Okay, for discussion 5.2, challenge of matchmaking application from the perspective of maqasid syariah. Firstly, threat to hifz ad-din, preservation of religion. Uncontrolled communication between non-mahram may lead to interaction that contradict Islamic teachings. 2. Threat to hifz al-ird, preservation of dignity, fake identity, dishonesty and scam can cause deception, emotional harm and loss of trust. 3. Threat to hifz an-nas, preservation of lineage. Relationship without clear marriage intention may deviate from Islamic courtship principle. In conclusion, matchmaking applications offer both opportunities and challenges. Their benefit can only be maximized when they operate in accordance with the objective of maqasid syariah, preservation of religion, dignity, intellect, work and lineage.
In conclusion, digital matchmaking application provide a modern and convenient way to find a life partner. However, the present challenges in protecting Islamic values such as maintaining modesty, avoiding inappropriate interactions, and safeguarding privacy. From the perspective of maqasid al-Sharia, this platform should preserve religion, lineage, and honor. This requires cooperation between developers, Islamic authorities, and users by implementing Sharia-compliant features and promoting ethical digital behavior. With proper guidance and responsibility, digital matchmaking can become a beneficial tool that supports marriage while remaining alive with Islamic principles.